One of the most basic features in any Office application is creating a new document. LibreOffice gives users several ways of doing this. Through the StartCenter, which is the central document management application for LibreOffice. Through the File menu and Standard toolbar in all 6 of the applications. By clicking individual application icons in Windows and Linux distros. And through keystrokes. This video from OS College will cover each of these ways. The StartCenter contains a list of recently viewed documents and templates. And users can create documents and access remote documents and wizards through it. The StartCenter icon is available in Mac, Windows, and Linux distros. Click the white icon to launch StartCenter. In the bottom part of the left column, Create, there is a list of the applications and the document types they can create. Simply click the desired one to create that type of document. For example, to create a new spreadsheet, click the Calc Spreadsheet item. Another way to create a new document in StartCenter is through the File menu. It has a new submenu that contains 11 documents from which to choose and a link to launch the Templates dialog. Click the desired item to create the document type. An explanation of the different document types can be found on this web page. For those watching the video on YouTube or another social media outlet, the address is in the description for the video. Highlight the new submenu. Then click the desired document type to create it. The File menu and new submenu also are in all 6 of the applications. The same items in the new submenu are also in the Standard toolbar in the 6 applications. Click the drop-down arrow next to the new icon in the Standard toolbar of any application. Click the desired document type in the list to create the document type. The new button will represent the last document type that has been created. For example, if you are working in a spreadsheet open in Calc, and you recently created a formula document from that spreadsheet, clicking the new button will create another formula document. Another way of creating documents is by clicking the corresponding LibreOffice icon in Windows or a Linux distro. If you want to create a word processor document, click the writer icon. If you want to create a vector graphic document, click the draw icon, for example. Mac users don't have all of these icons. The only icon the Mac version of LibreOffice has is the one to launch StartCenter. OS College has created several videos about the Mac version of LibreOffice. There are links on the OS College webpage to these, or if you are watching on YouTube, they will appear at the end of this video and will be in the description for the video on all social media sites. Keystrokes also can be used to create new documents. If you are using Windows or a Linux distro, the keystroke is the Control key and the N key. If you are using a Mac, the keystroke is the Command or Apple key and the N key. From StartCenter, the keystroke always creates a word processing document. If the user is working in one of the applications, the keystrokes will create the same type of document he or she is working in. This video from OS College covers various ways a new document can be created in LibreOffice. Thank you for watching. To learn more about LibreOffice, visit the OS College website. Also check out the other videos on the YouTube channel and subscribe to it by clicking the subscribe button.